Alright, we're back here with the Danger Ranger. This is my problem here. This flange just broke right off of the manifold. So I got it all off, I got it loose. I put these on new, the manifolds. And I put anti-seize in all these bolts. All of them. There's a video there, you'll see. So this broke off. This is the back. This is the flange clamp. I don't know what happened there, but it just broke clean. So I went to Napa and I got these. This one is just a little too big, but this one seems like it'll work. But you see my problem? If I cut this off here, it's probably going to be the same size as that. I don't like butt welding stuff together, you know? I would rather this went inside there. So I'm going to get the... Let me try to take this whole thing off here. You know, I'll be better off like that. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to like tack it in place, then take it off, then fully weld it. I mean, it'll come off right here. Might have to end up getting a gasket though. Just trying to avoid that. This one was cheaper, 16 bucks. I think I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna just whack it off right here. Put it right up to it. And if it's too big, then I could probably cut this and put it over this one and over that one. Then I gotta do 2 welds. It's just stupid. It always leaked there too. Very slight. I got some kind of oil leak everywhere. It's everywhere. It's coming down. I don't know if it's a valve cover. I don't think it's a valve cover, because I would see it be wet up there. It might be the oil pan shooting it up. I don't know. Front seal. I don't know. You gotta keep checking the oil on this thing. Alright, let me pull this off, see what we're gonna do here. Boys and girls, I can't wait until my building is done. I got it off. Here's the piece. Here's this piece. Here's this piece. And here's this piece. Let's go inside the shop here. Inside the garage. Oh, I can't wait till that building up there is done. No more on the ground, boys. No more on the ground. Place is a mess in here. Alright, see what I'm gonna do here. eBay garbage. See what we're gonna do with the eBay garbage. See what the Vulcan can do with the eBay garbage. Alright. Give me a second to get situated here. Oh man. Gonna need the welder, so let me plug it in. Alright, so we're gonna weld the flange back on. Those things are too long. I don't have time to play with this. Sit this back on here. Clean it all up. Tack it right there. And weld it all the way around. It should be fine. I'll be back. Oh, did I have it upside down? Yeah. Alright, let me get the grinder. We'll clean that up a little bit. And we'll weld it. I'll be back. Let me clean it up with that Milwaukee. Alright, so this is what I did. I took the die grinder. I welded it around the outside. Very thick. Nice. Hold it nice. Got the weld all the way around, and I welded on the inside, and I ground it down to make a nice flange. So we'll see what happens now. Put it on, see what happens. I'll hold on to this in case it leaks. I'll do this shit all over again. I could have just taken this out, the oxygen sensor, and then cut around it with the threads and welded it into this one. It's just still too long. And we got some length in there. Could have put it like that. I don't know. Alright, let's see how this works. Battery's going dead. I'll let you know. I'll be back. Alright, boys. The battery died. So I didn't get to finish the video. But I did it. It's on there. I started up now. There it is. Back to quiet again. And I hear a little ting, like a little tiny leak, but I can't feel it, so. But that's what it is. It's in there. Back together. So like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. Thanks for watching.